Yo, this is the trade recap for day 16, if I recall. Took a loss, first loss, as you guys can see, first loss in 6 days, I think. We're on the 100k to 200k paper trade account. We lost $865. Yeah, there were multiple trades that would have gave me a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. As you guys can see, there was 3 today. Unfortunately, was not paying enough attention to the market. Was honestly on TikTok scrolling. But yeah, let me explain you why I took the loss and why I took the trade that I took that gave me the loss. You feel me? After we touched this fair value gap in the 15-minute, I scroll down to the 5-minute, and honestly, super bad on my part. Should have waited for this candlestick to close, but when in well previous when I was taking the trade, this candlestick was white, so that means it was bearish. So I marked equilibrium right here, which is wrong. That's not equilibrium. I should have not marked that. So you guys can see, shouldn't have marked it. And honestly, was late to this trade too, because the trade I would have taken like around here. And honestly, I took it super far. So I took it on the Nasdaq for obvious reasons. We're deleting index to go up. I thought this was equilibrium. That was number one, the mistake. We did inverse this. Oh, that's not a fair value gap, my bad. But yeah, I thought that was the equilibrium. Let's go down. We inverse this fair value gap, and then we inverse this small fair value gap. Which while we inverse it, we hit equilibrium in a sense, because it's not really equilibrium on the 5-minute. Inverse this fair value gap, enter around here, hesitated for a bit, wanted to wait for us to get a better risk to reward ratio, but I was like, let's just enter around here, stop loss, enter around here. My entry was honestly not bad, but it was bad. Enter around here, stop loss above this fair value gap, beneath the fair value gap, and take profits on the 4 hour. Yeah, on the 4 hour fair value gap. Which honestly, I was late to this trade, and I was late to the other trade, and I didn't catch this trade. The trade to the downside. Why? Because I was honestly not paying attention, and honestly, because I can only take one trade. As you guys can see, we created a SMT divergence to go to the downside. Let's go down to the 5-minute. Failed equilibrium. Would have traded on the Nasdaq. Why? Because it's the market more bearish. And where we at? Okay. Would have waited for us to close beneath this. Or honestly, where is it? Let me eliminate this for a second. Yeah, I mean, should have entered around here. Why? Because we inverted this. We closed beneath the previous 1-minute low, and aim for a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is almost close to the fair value gap. So it is possible to fill that, which would have taken TP. But yeah, I honestly was not paying attention. I was not paying attention. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I was more paying attention to TikTok, but it happens. I was not gonna lie. I was entertained by TikTok a lot. But anyways, there was news at 10. So you guys can see, and there's news tomorrow. Excuse me. And yeah, it didn't do nothing. Line news didn't do nothing, but it is what it is. Yeah, mistakes for today. Things to learn. Wait for candlestick to close on the 5 minute to verify that it's actually a equilibrium. Pay attention to the market, and that's about it. Yeah, pay attention to the market and let the 5 minute candlestick close so you can verify that it's actually equilibrium and not another just another candlestick. You feel me? But yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. The first loss in 6 days. It's cool. It happens. Even the profitable traders, even profitable traders or professional traders or whatever you may call them, they have losing days, which is um inevitable if you ask me. But yeah. Anyways, yeah, even the professional day traders have losing days, and even profitable traders like me have a losing day, and we just have to learn from the mistakes, and continue going forward. Other than that, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. See ya.